Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Get you soon. Also, welcome to the Leetcode SQL 50 episode number 39. So, in the previous episodes, we have covered a lot of problems and a lot of topics, and now we are left with only one more topic, that is string functions or regular expressions or clause. So, in this topic, we have 7 questions, and we have already solved one question in the previous episode. So, if you haven't watched that, make sure you watch that. Now, getting started with the next problem that we have, that is patients with a condition. In this Leetcode problem, patients with a condition, we have only one table, that is patients table. It has details like patient ID, patient name, and whatever condition that the patient is facing. Now, we are supposed to write a solution to find all these three, patient ID, patient name, and condition, all these three columns of the patients who have type 1 diabetes. Now, type 1 diabetes always starts with this prefix DAAB1. Okay, so we are supposed to write all the columns of patients who are having this condition, type 1 diabetes. How to identify it? Based on this prefix. So let's look at an example. In this example, you can see we have patient IDs and patient names and the conditions. So we want to figure out type 1 diabetes, right? It starts with DIAB1. So as you can see here, Bob is facing DIAB1. Again, you can see again in alien. So, DAB2. This is not type 1 diabetes. This is maybe type 2 diabetes. But here in George, you can see DAAB1. It is there here. Acne DAAB1. So, if the word comes here or word comes here, doesn't matter. In the condition, this DAAB1, if it is present, then it is type 1 diabetes. So, Bob and George comes into the output. We are not putting alien because it is not DAAB1, it is DAAB2, which might mean type 2 diabetes. Okay, so we will return all these columns, Bob and George. Now let's see how to write this code. Also, you can see that all these columns we are retrieving in the output, same to same. That's why instead of mentioning in the select, we will just put star. So select star. Star means all columns. Select all columns from the patients table where conditions is a column name. In the condition, what we need? Regular expression. This is a keyword you need to remember. Regular expression, REGEXP. That // B DIAB1. So DIAB1 is what you know. This is DIAB1. Now what is // B? This is something you need to know. So whenever you are using regular expression REGEXP, we have these symbols. Now // B is like an anchor in regular expression. So what it does, it matches the position where the word starts with DAAB1 or it ends with DAAB1. So it doesn't matter if the word is starting or ending with DAAB1. It figures out. Okay. Now that you understand, whenever you put // B, it will check if the next thing that you are mentioning is starting or ending. But here we are actually mentioning this DAAB1. This literal we are mentioning. That's why it will make sure the string that appear at the beginning of the word or whole word itself. If there is whole word DAAB1 without the 00, then also it will count and it will retrieve. So I just hope you understood. It's very simple problem. It's just one line problem. But still, if you have any doubts, if you want anything to get clarified, make sure you comment below. Thank you so much for watching till the end. We are done with 2 problems. In the last topic, we are just left with 5 more problems. We are going to complete them soon. So please stay tuned and complete this Leetcode SQL 50 challenge and earn this badge. Thank you so much. Bye bye.